Now, meteorologist Cameron Saliga and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
Looking outside, there are some areas that are experiencing some reduced visibilities as we look at Bellefontaine, right around 3 miles there in Dayton, 6 miles, 5.6 into Troy. So some areas, just give yourself a little extra time as you head out the door because we have some fog, rain in areas, so just give yourself a little extra time. Wind speed over the next 12 hours, as I mentioned in the afternoon, that's when those winds really start to kick on up near 30 miles per hour, and we do have those gusts again upwards of 60 miles per hour. And as we look at your wind alerts, we do have a high wind warning for most of us here into the Miami Valley. That goes until 7 p.m. tonight. It starts at 7 a.m. and goes until 7 p.m. Those winds right around 20 to 30 miles per hour. Can't rule out some sustained winds at 30 miles per hour at times, though. And then those gusts upwards to 60 miles per hour with some chances of power outages here as we go into the afternoon. So we track this out as we go through the daytime. We have those winds into the afternoon and into the early evening, upwards of 40, 50, even possibly 60 miles per hour. But the good news is it starts to weaken as we go into the overnight hours, into the morning hours. We'll see those winds start to die down, and we'll see them move off to the east as the system tracks further off to the east. And it's a pretty strong system as we go through the daytime today. Temps up to the north are going to be in the 60s for most of us. We do see a couple of 50s there. And then as you go further south, 61, 62 degrees, possibly even a 63 out there through the afternoon hours. Live Doppler 2HD, while we do have a good amount of rainfall here into western portions of Ohio. See there in Urbana, seeing some light to moderate rain up near Wapak and Auglaize County, Logan County, seeing some of that rain as well. And Mercer County, you're seeing some moderate rainfall at this hour. As we zoom on out, we do have that system off to the west. This is a pretty potent system, and we are seeing snow off to the north of that low-pressure system. But as this thing tracks to the northeast, that's where we see those increased winds as we go through the afternoon. Future track going through the daytime today, we see the rain really moving out as we go to the afternoon. Cloudy skies into the overnight hours, and that's how we'll start the day off tomorrow. For your Friday, we could see an isolated chance of a flurry, but it is not that great of a chance, so we should stay dry going into the weekend. 61 for your high today. Those gusts again up to 60 miles per hour. Winds do calm tonight with a low of 36, and then we have sunshine into the afternoon tomorrow in the mid-40s. Over the next 7 days, well, we do have a lot of sunshine into the weekend. Cooler, though, before getting back to the 50s.